Can we talk about something real? You ever get all hyped up to start a new habit? Like, this is it, I'm finally doing it. And for a while, you actually do. You're waking up early, making smoothies, journaling like a queen. And then, a few days or weeks later, it all unravels. And you're left wondering, why can't I just stick with this? You're not lazy, you're not broken. You're just trying to change your actions without shifting your identity. And today, we're going to talk about why that matters and how to build real lasting change from the inside out. This is part 3 of my 5-part series inspired by the power of discipline by Danielle Walter. So if you missed part 1 or 2, definitely go check this out. But for now, let's get into it. Here's the truth. We don't act based on what we want. We act based on what we believe we are. So if deep down you don't see yourself as someone who's disciplined, your brain will keep pulling you back to your old habits, even when you want to change. It's not sabotage, it's safety. Your brain is loyal to your identity, even if that identity is outdated. So when you try to change your routine without changing your self-image, it doesn't stick. Here's where things get powerful. Every time you show up, even in a small way, you're casting a vote for the kind of person you're becoming. One walk isn't just a walk. It's a vote for being someone who moves her body with love. One budget check-in isn't just adulting. It's a vote for being someone who respects her future. You don't have to change everything. Just keep showing up as the version of you who already lives with that reality, little by little, because identity doesn't shift through pressure. It shifts through proof. So many of us set outcome-based goals. I want to lose weight. I want to get organized. I want to finally stop procrastinating. But goals without identity, they're fragile because your brain will always default back to what feels familiar. That's why trying hard isn't the move. What you need instead? Identity-based goals. Like, I'm becoming someone who chooses rest without guilt. I'm someone who finishes what she starts. See the difference? It's not about doing, it's about becoming. Let's make this practical. Here's how to create identity-aligned change. First, name the version of you you're stepping into. Not what you want to have, but who you want to be. Is she grounded, brave, peaceful? Second, make one small decision that version of you would make today. Don't overdo it. One small action is enough. Third, track it, celebrate it, let it count. Your brain needs evidence. Even a 2-minute win sends a clear message. This is who I am now. Real talk? This isn't about being perfect. It's about being aligned. The version of you who follows through, she's already inside you. This isn't about becoming someone else. It's about remembering who you were before the world taught you how to doubt yourself. So go gently. Let your habits reflect your truth, not your pressure. Because discipline built from self-respect, that's the kind that actually lasts. If this resonated with you, part 4 is going to be a game changer. We're diving into mental toughness, the Navy SEAL 40% rule, and how to push through when your brain wants to give up. Until then, take the pressure off. You're doing better than you think, and I'm proud of you for even being here.